be knowing more about. Her name is Kalpana Chawla, who is an astronaut that we heard about when we went to the planetarium. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So before we look at a character profile of Kalpana Chawla, I want to show you how we can find out information about a character. So Didi has done a character profile about Didi. Okay, about like Didi as a character. So in Karnal, India, in the year 1961, she was the youngest of 4 children. She was the youngest of 4 children. So how many brothers or sisters does she have? She has 4 brothers and sisters. Is she the oldest or is she the middle child? Who is she? She is the oldest. Is she the oldest? It says she is the youngest of 4 children. Where was she born? Which place was she born in? In Karnal. Now, I need you to be looking at sheet number 2. Look at sheet number 2 where you can see the map of India, please. Please be looking at sheet number 2 where you can see the map of India. I see, oh, Akhil is looking at it. I see. Okay, good job. So in sheet number 2, we can see that this is the map of India. Can you see a little part that's highlighted here in the north of India? This is the state of Haryana. Okay, this is the state of Haryana, and in Haryana is where Karnal is located, and in Karnal is where Kalpana Chawla was born in the year 1961. Okay, I need you to now make a marking there and write Karnal, K-A-R-N-A-R. Karnal is in the state of Haryana. Just make a marking there in your map saying that is Karnal. Karnal is located in which state in India? Raise your hand. Karnal is located in which state? Karnal is located in which state?
India.
Which state, Mariam? Do we just mark it in?
Haryana.
In Haryana. Which state, Mariam?
Haryana.
In Haryana. In our map, we marked it in Haryana. Good job, Irfan. Thank you, Mariam. When she announced to her father that she wanted to study aerospace engineering, he suggested that she should get into something else, like studying to be a doctor or a teacher. Eyes on Didi. So Kalpana announced to her father. Kalpana, what do you mean by announced? What do you mean by announced? If I say Kalpana announced to her father, what do you think announced means?
Kalpana said to her father.
Excellent. Kalpana told her father, she announced to her father that when I grow up, I want to study aeronautical engineering. What do you mean by aeronautical engineering? If I say aeronautical engineering, what will that help me become when I grow up? Will it help me become a lawyer? When I say aeronautical engineering, we talked about it, right? If I say I'm going to study aeronautical engineering after school, what does that mean? It helps you become an astronaut. Excellent. Irfan, I need you to form the... She then started working with NASA. Now, before class, I had given you a slip of paper where we had to try to figure out the full form of NASA. Can someone read out the clue? What was the clue that I had given you? What was the clue? Okay, can you read out the clue, please?
Yes. Clue what ISRO is for India, NASA is for America.
The clue was what ISRO is for India, NASA is for America. What is ISRO? What is ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. Where is ISRO located in India? Where is it located in India? Where is ISRO in India? In India. Where is ISRO in India?
Bangalore.
In Bangalore. Excellent. So, what ISRO is for India? What does ISRO do for India? What is ISRO's work? What is ISRO's work profile in India? ISRO's boy. Organization.
Make the satellite.
Okay, they help make satellites. What else?
And the rocket. And the
What is the second thing that ISRO does that's really, really important for India? What is the word? Research, excellent. They find information about what, Navid? Is it just about planets? Does ISRO just work with planets? What? ISRO works research
about the planets or space.
just about space, right? So we know what ISRO does. So my clue to find out the full form of NASA was that what ISRO is for India, NASA is for America. And I gave you that the first word is national. Who can tell me the rest of the words? Who can tell me the rest of the words? What does ASA stand for?
National
Aeronautics
Aeronautical and Space Article.
and
Space
Space,
Article.
not article. Who got the last word correct? National, Aeronautical and Space. Tarnum has managed to get all. What's the last word?
Astronaut.
No, not astronaut. I'll give you a clue. It's another word for organization that starts with A. It is another word for organization. I don't think you've heard it, which might make it a little difficult. Try? No, it's another word for organization. How is Aryabhatta an organization? No. What is another? You want to try? What is another word for organization? I don't think you've heard it. So I'm going to tell you what that last word is. Good job, Taranam. Can you give Taranam a couple of snaps for getting the first 4 correct? Good job. National Aeronautic and Space Association. Okay, that's the full form of to go to space. Her dream was to go to space. Then when she found out that she was going to go to space the second time, her dream had come true. What does that mean? Her dream had come true. What does that mean? If you need to explain that in Hindi, that's fine. Excellent. Good job. Who can explain that in English now? उसका सपना पूरा हो गया. How do you can you translate that into English, please? Who can do it? Who can do it? Somebody who hasn't answered. Muskan, you want to try? 1 second. Muskan, you want to try? 1 second. Her dream is finished? उसका सपना पूरा, I know पूरा हो गया. You translate that. But then you can help Muskan. Tarunam. Her dream. What was her dream? What was her dream, Tarunam? And did it come true? Was such a like? Excellent. So it became true. It happened, right? It came true. So when I say her dream, on the way back from space, when she was returning from space, 16 minutes before landing on Earth, the Challenger exploded as it hit the atmosphere. There are 2 words there that I think you might have problems with. Exploded and atmosphere. What do you think the word exploded means? Where have you heard the word exploded? It what? It's not just burn. Your action is correct. What is this? When I say exploded, it didn't break. There was a blast, an explosion. It blasted. Bahadur, excellent. Kalpana show grit? I need more hands up. When and how did Kalpana show grit, Sana?
His photo is come.
His photo?
No,
Her
her
photo.
photo is come into the series and all of that, and she worked very hard to go to space, and then
I'm gonna push you there. When you say work very hard, when was there a time where someone told her कि तुमको नहीं कर सकते, you can't do it, but she still did it? When was that? It's there in our story. Who told her कि maybe you should not study aeronautical engineering? But she still did it. She showed grit. Arshad. His father is Kalpana boy.
her father.
There on top, tell me her physical traits. What she likes in this case, and miscellaneous. Any other information about Kalpana that you think is really important to form her profile. We're going to be forming this profile now in our reading comprehension class, and next in our writing class, we're going to put it together to create a complete profile for Kalpana. Do we understand? Give me a thumbs up if you understood. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to distribute the paper and then we're going to start working. Okay? Yes? No? Good job. Can I have you in your start position, please? Yes.
Didi, I don't know.